Welcome! In front of me I have Google Pixel Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and once you see it, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now you can scroll through the menu, look for the icon of the application you want to uninstall, and once you find it, you can press and hold on this icon, then tap on uninstall button to remove it, and then once you tap on checkmark to confirm, the app should be removed. Another way you can do it is to go to settings, so find the settings icon, tap on it, then find the option called apps and notifications, tap on it, and then tap on the app info, and here you have the list of applications that are installed and you can remove. Once you find them, or find the app you want to remove, tap on it, tap on uninstall, tap on the check mark, and the app will be removed from your watch. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.